I guess I'll just have to throw myself my own birthday party. Huh.
It's a little like food, yeah, that's alright. See, she's still my side, I'm standing on the curb of the parking lot, thinking about our lives and the futures we've got. And she says, don't you worry, you're only 19, so why you in such a hurry? And it's the parking lot sunrise.